Hello everyone, welcome to the online classes. Today we shall discuss about the series grouping and parallel grouping and some numericals related on this. So first of all, series grouping. So suppose this is R1, R2, R3 up to Rn register are connected to an external battery V. So it's the positive terminal of battery and this is the negative terminal of the battery. Suppose this point has potential V and this is potential 0. So potential difference across the battery terminal is V and P. And this point has potential V. So this point has also potential V and this is 0. Okay. So as you all know that current starts from positive terminal and ends on the negative terminal. Okay, so this current flows through the resistors. I current flows through the resistor R1, same I current flow through the resistor R2, same I current flow through the R3 and Rn. So as you also see that current through all the resistors are same because there is no sub branch of it. Okay, so this is called the series grouping, means currents through each resistors are same. So there are two conditions. There is current through each resistor are same and the potential drop across the each resistor are different, means the potential difference between this terminal and between these terminals are different. Suppose it is v1, this is v2 and this is v3 and vn, these are different. Okay, these are the main two criteria for the series grouping. The current through each registers are same and the potential difference across each register are different. Okay, and the R equivalent, the equivalent resistance of these n registers are given by the expression R equivalent is simply sum of all registers R1, R2 up to Rn. If all the registers are same, means R1 equal to R2 equal to R3 equal to Rn equal to R, say suppose, so R equivalent is n times R. Okay, then comes to the parallel grouping. In case of parallel grouping, suppose the all these registers are connected to an external battery V. Suppose this is V potential and this is at zero potential. So this potential at this point is V. This point will be V and this is 0. Potential at this V and at this point will be V. This point is also V and this is also V and this is also V. And this is as it is 0, so potential at this point will be 0, at this point will be 0, so at this point 0 0 0 0. So as you will see that potential across R1 is V minus 0, that is V, and across R2 is V minus 0, that is V, and R3 V minus 0, that is V. So the potential difference across or potential drop across each register are same in case of parallel grouping. But what happens to the current? So current starts from the positive terminal, that is I, and you see that there is three n sub branch of it. Okay, so current here, the current divides the current I1, this is current I2, this is current I3, this is current I4, etc. So the current through each register are different and the potential drop across each register are same. So R equivalent is given by the R 1 by R equivalent is 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 up to 1 by Rn. If all the registers are same, suppose R1, R2 and Rn are same equal to R, then R equivalent is given by R by N. Like this R, the three are in parallel grouping. So R equivalent is R by 3. Simple. Number of registers 3, 1 to 3. So R by 3. All the registers are same. The for two registers, suppose in the circuit two registers are only used, that is R1 and R2. So R equivalent is R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Most of time I use um, registers equalizations for the two registers in parallel grouping, R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Okay, let's solve some simple examples related on this parallel grouping and series grouping. question is the find the equivalent resistance between A and B terminal. Find the equivalent between A and B terminal means current starts from A and leaves on B. Okay. Find the equation between A and B means current starts from A and leaves on B. So here I current starts from the A terminals and there is a branch. So current divides I1 suppose it I2. So again these two currents I1 and I2 combine to form I current. So here I1 and I2 the two currents are different. So this is parallel. Okay, so R and R there are two resistors and value of resistance is R. So the equivalent resistance will be R by number of resistor R by 2 and this is R. See that current here the R current through the R by 2 resistor is I, current through R resistor is I. So this is series grouping. So R equivalent is simply R by 2 plus R, that is 3R by 2. That's the answer. Okay. Next, find the equation between A and B terminals. So current starts from I and ends on B. Current starts from A and ends on B. So this is I current flows. So there is a branch in. So current divides here. Suppose this is I1 current. This is suppose I2 current. Here will also be current will be I2. Here also current I2 and here I1 and again I1 plus I2 combine and they form I. Okay. So see the current divides here. I1 I2 means this circuit is in parallel grouping. So I1 so the current through the R is I2, here is current also I2. So these two are in series grouping. Okay. And again the equivalent resistance is so R and R, that is R 2R, and again this is R. So A B, see that these 2R and R is in parallel grouping. So it becomes 2R into R1 R2 by R1 plus R2, 3R. R cancel 2R by 3, that is 2R by 3. So RR. See that current through this R 2R by 3 and R same I. Here is also current I. Here is also current I. So equivalent resistance is simply R plus 2R by 3 equal to 2 plus 2 by 3R. That is 3 into 6 8 by 3R. Okay, this is the answer. Another questions, find the equivalent resistance between A and B. So current starts from this I and ends at B. Okay, so current through this 5 ohm resistance is I. Again here there is a branch, so current divides I1 I2. Current through this 5 ohm resistor is also I2. So here is current I2, here is current also I2. So these two are in series. Okay, so this is 5 ohm and these are series of 5 plus 5 is 10 ohm resistance. Okay, this is 5. So this 10 and 5 are in parallel. So their equivalent resistance will be 10 into 5 r1 r2 by r1 plus r2 15. So 10 by 3. Okay, so now this equivalent resistance means 10 by 3, this 5 and 5 are in series because same current passes through all the resistors. So 5 plus 5 plus 10 by 3. So 10 plus 10 by 3, 40 by 3 ohm resistor. Okay. Again, solve these questions. Find the equivalence between A and B terminals. So you see the current starts from A and ends on B. So current starts. So here is four branches are here. So current five branches. Current divides. Will divide I1, I2, I3, I4, I5. Current divides. So as you see the suppose it is I1. So current through 3 ohm resist this 3 ohm resistance and this 3 ohm resistance will be same because there is no sub branch in the way. Suppose I1. So this is I1, this is also I1. So these two are in series. So their equivalent resistance become 3 plus 3 is 6. Again this 6 and this 6 are in parallel because different two different currents will flow through these two branches. So this is I1, this is I2, suppose I2. So there are two currents. So this 6 ohm and this 6 ohm will be in parallel. So 6 and 6. So two resistors, so 6 by 2 equal to 3 ohm. Okay. So this, so equivalent resistance of this is 3 ohm. 3 ohm. Again this 3 ohm and this 3 ohm are in series. So total, so the equivalent resistance will be 6 ohm. 3 plus 3, 6. So it become 6 ohm. 6 ohm. Again this 6 ohm resistor and this 6 ohm resistors are in parallel, so that becomes 3. 6 by 2, 3. So this is 3 ohm. So this 3 ohm plus this 3 ohm, this 3 ohm and this 3 ohm are series, so it is 6 ohm. Again this 6 ohm and 6 ohm resistor are in parallel, so again it becomes 3 ohm. This 3 plus this 3 are in series, so it becomes 6 ohm. 6 ohm. So final result 6 ohm, and between A and B is 3 ohm. So total is 6 into 3 by 6 plus 3, 9. So 2 ohm resistance. So equivalent is 2 ohm resistor. Okay. Then come to the point method. Okay, point method. Find the equation between A and B. So potential at this point is A. So this point will be A because there is no potential drop in between this. So this point will be A and this point will be A. This is B point, this point will be B, and this point will be B, this point will also be. So that is same means potential at this point and this point and this point are same. Potential at this and this are same. So we get only 2 points, that is A and B. So draw this A point and B point. So this R register is connected between A and B. Okay. Again this R register is connected between A and B. So there is only option is that is parallel. So this R register is connected between A and B. A and B. Okay. So these are in parallel. So result will be R equivalent is R by 3. Okay. Then next find the equation between A and B. This is B point and this will also B point. This is also B. This is also B. This is A point. So this will also A or B. This is not A or B because there is a potential drop in it and there is also potential drop in it, so it is another point, suppose X. So we get 3 points A, X, B. So A, X and B. uh, this R register is connected between B and X. R registers. Again this register is connected between B and X. R registers. Again this register is connected between B and X. And this R register is connected between A and X. Okay. So these three are parallel, so yeah, this equivalent resistance is R by 3 and this is R series. R and R by 3 are series, so result is 4R by 3. Okay, find the equation between A and B. So this is A point, this is B point. So this is B and the potential this it will be B, at this point will be B and this B. So there is only 2 points, A and B. So this is A point, this is B point. So this R register is connected between A and B. This R register is connected between A and B. This R register is connected between A and B. This R register is connected between A and B. So four registers are connected between A and B. Means these all are in parallel. So equivalent resistance is R by 4. Okay. The next equivalent resistance between A and B. So this is A point. This symbol represent these two wires. This and this are disconnected. Okay. So A point. So it is also A. It is also A. This is B and this is B. Here is no connection. Okay. So there is 2 points. We get 2 points. A and B point. So see that this R register is connected between A point and B point. A point, B point. Okay. And this R register is connected between A point and B point. These R and R are connected between A and B. R and R are connected between A and B. This R and R are connected between A and B. Connected between A and B. So this is 2R. This is 2R. This is R. So these are in parallel. So 2R 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 equivalent is 2R by 2, there is R. So this is R. Result is R by 3. Okay, thank you. In the next class we will discuss some complicated circuit, equivalent resistance of some complicated circuit. Thank you.